Check it out, the Deodorizer fogging treatment. We rent 3 small warehouses where we put our trailer, pressure washing, all our cleaning supplies, mops, all the hard equipment, vacuums, scrubber, blowers to dry the carpet and everything. What you are seeing right now is the machine that we use that is called the Electro Fogger to deodorize after we disinfect all our equipment. This machine uses a heat to produce between 2 to 5 micron fog-sized particles that mimic the behavior of the smoke, delivering the odor control really deep into all the crevices and cavities. The smoke, it will penetrate all our equipment, all the surface, to deodorizing. And it's this machine that is the thermal fogging is really efficient to treat large areas, like in this case. We have been using this machine before. I don't know if I have videos on TikTok. I will try to look for it or try to repost those videos. We have been using this machine in hotter house to remove bad odors, odors about pet odors, organic odors. Another apartment that someone used cannabis and smoke inside the apartment. So this machine used a solvent-based product by the brand Legends that is called Thermo 55, really good. It's a solvent-based deodorizer that we use with the Thermofogger. And you can reach us at 407-572-4118 to disinfect, deodorize, even your car, your apartment, or if you are a realtor, you want to sell your house. 407-572-4118, anyhousecleaning.com.